Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you the real scoop on the products that promise big and deliver bigger. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best truck bed tonneau cover lockable on the market right now. The Tyger Auto T3 Soft Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover, specifically designed for the Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 models from 2019 to 2025. Let's get right into why this cover is a game changer for truck owners. If your truck has the Carbon Pro bed or the factory-side storage box, this cover also won't work for you. One more heads up, it may interfere with power tailgate functionality. But if your truck has a standard 5-foot 10-inch, or 70-inch, bed, and doesn't fall under those exceptions, you're good to go. Moving to the design, this is where Tyger Auto shows why they're a major player. The T3 cover is US patented and built with dual-coated, 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl. It's thick, it's durable, and it's weather-resistant. The frame is made from aircraft-grade aluminum, and the clamps? They're stainless steel. That means corrosion resistance and durability that lasts through the seasons, whether you're facing snow, rain, or high heat. One of the features we really like here is the pre-assembled horizontal crossbars. These provide excellent support while still allowing you to fold the cover up in seconds when you need full access to your truck bed. It's a tri-fold system, which means ease of use and versatility. You can haul taller items without removing the cover entirely. Now let's talk installation. It's incredibly user-friendly. No drilling is needed, and everything you need, including mounting hardware and instructions, comes in the box. If your truck bed has an over-the-bedrail bed liner, you'll need to cut small holes for the clamps to latch properly. If it's an under-the-bedrail liner, no modifications are necessary. The whole process is simple and should take you under 30 minutes. In terms of security, the tailgate lock integrates with the cover to help secure your truck bed. Once the tailgate is locked, the cover can't be opened, providing that extra layer of protection against theft and prying eyes. Another thing worth noting, this product is backed by a limited lifetime warranty for US customers, giving you peace of mind that Tyger Auto stands behind their product. A few additional points. This tonneau cover is part of Tyger's T3 series, the soft tri-fold version, but if you want alternatives. Tyger also offers the T1 soft roll-up, T2 low-profile roll-up, and even the T5 hard-folding variant. However, the T3 is a balanced option offering durability, flexibility, and ease of use at a very competitive price point. Let's quickly summarize what makes this product a standout. You're getting marine-grade protection, heavy-duty materials, a clean, low-profile look, and tool-free installation. It's tailor-made for specific Silverado and Sierra models, so as long as you confirm the fit, you're in for a seamless experience. If you're someone who wants to protect your gear, improve your truck's aerodynamics, and get an all-season cover that folds and unfolds with ease, this is the one. That's it for today's review of the Tyger Auto T3 Soft Tri-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. If you're interested, check the link in the description to see pricing and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more no-nonsense product breakdowns, right here on Product Critique. Catch you in the next one.